Behind this door is one of my children's bedrooms. Behind you, behind the camera there, is another door to another bedroom for other children. In between them, where I'm standing, is the playroom. And I thought it was a pretty clever design to have one child's bedroom and the other children's bedroom exit out into a common playroom. That way their room and their room can stay clean of clutter and toys, and then this can be their collective toy storage. So I wanted this room to not have as many toys. In fact, we're trying to get rid of a lot of the toys that we have and have more activities. Over here is just a mess of the toys that we have left. And I don't like how it's being stored. I don't like any of that. So there's a lot to work on over there. This wall though, this wall is going to be pretty cool. That's right, we got rock climbing things. I'm sure you've seen them at parks and stuff. I'm very excited for these for the kids, and we got 2 kits. What I didn't know is it actually came with this climbing rope, which is just really cool. That's really cool. These climbing rocks are the reason that I got this white laminate piece of wood, because as you can see, it's going to be mounted like this to a piece of wood, and if my hand is the piece of wood, the kids are going to climb and they're going to curl their little fingers over that thing to climb up. And if you scrape your fingernails along a piece of wood, splinters could get up under your fingernails. It made me kind of sick thinking of my girls getting splinters under their fingernails. So for safety reasons, that's why I chose this product. So I'm going to get to work laying these out on these boards right now.
All right, so we have half the wall up and it's completely functional, but we are gonna need some sort of mat for the floor because it's concrete and this is kind of making me nervous.
Something cool to note is one of these kits, these plastic hold kits, spread out like I spread it out, fits one 4x8 sheet of plywood. So we have two 4x8 sheets of plywood, two kits ordered, and it laid out really well for us. And I did use all of them, so all of the handholds are up here. Let's see, I cut these holes out, as you saw. That's just to access the outlets and the light switch. I didn't see a way around that. I know it kind of interferes with the climbing, but there's not much I could do in my mind. I didn't show you how I installed the climbing rope, but it's really just two lag bolts in a roof truss, and it holds me up just fine. I'm going to leave an Amazon link down below where you can buy these kits, the climbing, and also these mats. And these mats are pretty cool. They tri-fold, so you can put them in various orientations. Kids love it, we love it, we think it looks cool, and it was a really fun project to do. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed videos like this, let us know, because we have a lot of other fun things we want to do, not just home building, but a lot of cool projects that we think you guys might like if you liked this. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time.